welcome back to another episode of Help My People show. I am Zan, your host, and today it's a very sunny day and a very beautiful day. And today with me, I have Babu. So he's right now studying in Castle University. And he's a guy who is balancing his university life and also his work life very nicely. He's balancing it properly in the sense like he finished paying his loan. So basically in Germany as a student, you come here and then you have your block account of 11,208 euros, where every month you get certain amount of money so that you can finance your living expenses. So this money basically belongs to you, just that German government wants you to have this money when you're coming for studies. So basically he took a loan of this money and then he came here, and then after that he have finished paying all his loan and his studies is also going on well. So yeah, today I'm really excited to hear his story, his journeys. Maybe there are some people out there in Bangladesh or in India who wants to come here by taking loan, and they are also worried, oh, will I be able to pay the loan or not on time and all these questions. So he will be there to clear all your doubts today. Yes. And not only that, but we will also talk about his career journey, career stories. So I'm really excited. So thank you so much for coming to my show. It's
Well,
really and indeed an honor and pleasure to have you today.
thank you also for having me here and inviting me to this
It's my
interview.
pleasure. Yeah. So,
It's my pleasure.
how are you feeling today?
Yeah, I'm feeling very good today,
Uh-huh.
and thank you again.
So, without wasting any further time, could you please introduce yourself?
My name is Muhammad Nazrul Islam. My nickname is Babu. I am currently a student of University of Kassel. I'm studying economics here.
How long are you in Germany?
I'm in Germany since 2.5 years now.
And in this period, you have already finished all your loan.
Yeah, I have finished all my loan.
So, before discussing about the loan and everything, I would also like to talk a little bit about your career journey. Walk me through your childhood. How was your life growing up as a child?
It was very good because I belong from a joint family. So I have a big family. I have so much people in my family, and from childhood I have them all. I had them all. So it was very good for me.
Since you said it was very good, do you have any happy moments?
My happy moment, I have so many happy moments, but especially I can say one, visiting some place with all of my families. This is the most pleasure family time in my childhood.
And how was your teenage life?
My teenage life was also good. I didn't have to worry about so many things. I studied, I traveled here and there. Actually, my teenage life was also good.
And then, what did you choose to study in your bachelor's? And why did you choose to study that field?
Yeah, after finishing high school, I was in a worried situation. What should I do? Then I chose economics because I saw the different career options, and I thought economics could be the field where I go for a job, then it will help me in different backgrounds, in the different fields. Or if I go for a business, this is also would be helpful because it's economics.
And are you satisfied with your course?
Yes, I am very satisfied because when I finished in Bangladesh, my bachelor, I saw so many opportunities about job field from economic sector. But suddenly I choose to come abroad, and after coming here, I saw there are so many job fields for economics students. So I still am thinking it was my good decision.
Okay. So you said that there are so many job fields in economics in Bangladesh. So could you
Right.
please give some example?
Like bank sector, like multinational companies in economics. The main job sector is different multinational companies with policy making job fields, like project management in different group and companies. There are a lot of job opportunities.
And if there were a lot of job opportunities out there, you could have done a job after you've graduated.
Yeah.
But then you decided to come here.
Yeah, right.
But why?
Exactly. Actually, when I finished bachelor, I wasn't planning to come abroad. But suddenly the world hit it with by corona. And this situation, I was just doing nothing, to be honest. Then I was thinking, what should I do right now? Because I am wasting my time. In that situation, world is in crisis. In that situation, I was thinking, what should I do? In that time, actually, it's quite funny. I had no plan to come at abroad, but that time, uh, actually, my mind pushed me to
think beyond. Okay. And then when you thought like, okay, I will apply for Germany, why did you choose Germany?
because for one reason, I will say, and that is tuition fee.
Yeah, that's true. That's the reason for so many international
Right.
students because the fee here it's like you pay very less, right?
Of course, if I was thinking to come abroad, I was talking to different people who are in Canada, America, England, and Germany also. Then I realized it's too expensive, and
Yeah,
maybe my family cannot
afford
it. And this time I realized if I go abroad, then maybe it's only in Germany because financial capability is beyond everything. If
Exactly.
I don't have financial capability, I should not run for anything because it's too much expensive. In economics field, in some universities, you have to pay in every semester more than 10,000
That's a lot.
US dollar compared to US dollar. It's not for everybody.
You applied the loan, right, for the block account. Entire procedure of how you apply.
Okay. Actually, after applying at universities in Germany, I was talking to different person. Actually, I didn't took loan from any bank or any financial institute.
Okay,
I
interesting.
managed my loan from different person, family members and also friends. When I got offer letter from Germany, then before that, I talked to everybody to whom I can trust. Yes, this person maybe help me. I talked with them, and they said, "Okay, I will do something. I will do something." And when I got offer letter from Germany, told them I got
The offer
letter. So now I need money to proceed further.
Mm.
They helped me.
That's really nice. I mean, like a lot of people, they help you a little bit
But
bigger than
if
amount.
you ask me about financial loan from financial institutes like banks or NGOs or somewhere, actually I don't have that much idea about this because I didn't took it.
Yes.
But I can tell you that institutes doesn't give loan for students always because there are some issues like study loan is just a paperwork. If institutes wants to give you some loan, they want something you mortgage to them. Yeah, and it's obviously a long process, and especially that time I come here in Corona time, it was a little bit close. So whatever I took loan from different persons, they are my big supporters.
And then with that, you were able to come here. And then,
Yeah,
how was your impression when you first reached Germany?
it was beyond expectation.
Yeah.
Once it wasn't my dream to come abroad, but when I applied, I wasn't sure I will able to get any offer letter. It wasn't sure. Nobody can tell sure. But when I got it, I started dreaming about it.
That's cool. Okay, now please walk us through the entire process of your applying for a job.
Mostly, I tried to job which can you can manage your time very well. Like you can do a part-time job and you can study both. After coming here, I started a part-time job at Amazon. After this part-time job, when I actually I wasn't, I had not any idea how much salary was in part-time people usually get. Some because it depends on how many hours they are giving you, right? So after coming here, when I got my first month salary, then I calculated how much should I pay and how should I pay. Then I started repaying their money. It was like this that After coming here, I am getting from my block money and I am earning some money. So I started calculating at least how much spending I can survive.
The least amount.
Because I have loan and I have to pay this loan back. So I was planning at least amount I can survive. So spending least amount to survive. Rest nearly every month, nearly 7 to 800 euro I send back to Bangladesh. And like this, it's possible to repay your loan within 1.5 years. And if you work at semester break, there are some jobs they can give you more hours in semester break, and this time you can earn more.
You can even do full time and a mini job.
Exactly. Actually, during the semester break, it's also possible you do a full time job and a mini job. It's obviously pressure time. Actually,
And you also need to take care of your that you are not overworking.
right. And after managing everything, I think if a person spend least amount and do not waste any money, I mean, it's possible wasting money. You know,
Yeah.
if you buy
Unnecessary stuff which you don't need it, for example.
right.
Yeah.
So in this situation, I think it's very possible if if you just consider your entire expense and willing to repay their money in short time, it's possible because you have block money in your hand. They are not taking it. They are giving you back.
That's your money.
That's my money. They are not taking it. They are just giving my in month in installment.
The money that you took loan and came, it's actually yours only. So it depends on how you spend it wisely.
Exactly,
right?
wisely. Just this is the case.
Okay, since you told you stayed with a minimum budget, right? So was it like 300-400 euros in a month?
No. It was at 300-400 euros a month. At least minimum budget means at least nearly 600 euros.
Okay.
Because here, house rent is quite expensive in some cities.
So how much money do you spend every month?
Actually, my expense in nearly when I was repaying my loan, my expense was nearly 600 to 650. It was not that much if you don't expense any unnecessary things. According to your block money installment, you are getting nearly 850. And if you work a part-time job, it's possible that you repay every month nearly 800 euro back. So if say one thing, not everybody come here taking whole amount loan. You know, some people come here with maybe they have total expense. They have half of their own money, half they took loan. They took some 60%, 70% loan. Some people take 100%. So if a person come here with 100% loan, they have to think wisely and critically because you have to study here also. During your time, if you don't study, Ausländerbehörde, I mean foreign office will take action maybe against you.
I mean, it's very important as a student here in Germany.
It's very important
that you
as a
balance
student.
well.
We must balance our time, job, and study both. We cannot focus in one thing. Especially as I am talking about coming with taking loan, we must consider everything because if we focus only in study, here our loan people are expecting that you will repay them as soon as possible.
Walk us through how do you balance your studies here in
So
Germany?
in this time, actually for a very long time, I mean more than 1 year, I only worked part-time because that time I had a support of my block money. So I worked at part-time and I managed my expense with this job and I repaid my loan from my block account every time I got. Every month I got. And after 1 year, I calculated that most of my loan, more than 80% of my loan is paid back. Actually, there are some expenses you maybe could not able to manage by your job. Then maybe you have to take from your that installment from. It's not that much. It's not. Don't worry about this. So you can just manage your study, and you can also do a job for repaying your loan. It's not that big deal. But just you have to set up your mind that I will repay.
You need to
Anyhow.
be confident yourself.
Yes, that's it.
You have to plan it very nicely, and
And
then
you just have
yeah,
to work through your
accordingly.
planning.
Yes,
Bas.
exactly. Okay, so now please take us through your experiences about living here in Germany, because I know there is a lot of cultural differences.
Yeah,
Bangladesh, the place you come from,
yeah,
people are very friendly out there and very open. And here you see another culture.
yeah.
So please
Uh,
tell us your impressions about the cultural differences.
cultural difference is huge. People say it's hard to find a German friend here, and I think it's true. But they are very nice people.
Exactly.
They are very nice people.
Could you please share any experience, because you are saying they are very nice people?
Yeah,
So
actually, when in one of my course, my group mate was German, and when I was working with them for my project, I realized they are very good people. They are very helpful, and every time you ask for any help, they are not denying you. So I must say they are good people. And cultural difference is normal. It's very normal. We belongs from another culture. We are coming from to another culture. It's actually it won't bother you because uh, you will enjoy it one time because you will see not only in German culture. Here you can see from different cultures. There people are coming here, so you will once you will start enjoying it.
And what are the differences that you see here, and when you compare to Bangladesh, the
Compared to
culture?
Bangladesh, here there are a lot of differences. Like here, uh, actually, if you want to meet someone, you must take appointment.
And what about Bangladesh?
Bangladesh, you can just
Go,
ask
go,
him,
go.
hey, let's hang out. But here, no.
Yeah, I mean, in India, it's a little bit the same, and I realized that here in Germany, everybody has got to work, right? But in India and Bangladesh, like when we are studying, we normally don't work. But here, even while you are studying, we work.
Right.
So in that way, if you're working, you have a different time. Everybody is not working in the same company, so
Yeah.
everybody has got different work time. So everybody has got different university time. So in that way,
Their shifting time, their studying time, their class time,
yes,
it's busy time.
it's yes, everything is like this. So weekends is the only time where you can really get to know your near and dear ones. So I think the culture itself is, allowing them to make everything an appointment. Initially, I also found it a little bit weird because somebody who is close to your heart, you just don't have to take appointments for 2-3 days, and then you know
Right.
what I mean.
Right.
So it was a little bit weird, but also I would like to add there something. If there is somebody who is close to you, then it can also be more flexible. It also depends on the relationship that you have with that person. For example, if I know somebody who is very close to me and is German, then I say, hey, something so and so happened. Could you please help me? Then he could also, he or she could also be flexible with me. This is also possible. It's not that somebody is dying, but they are just waiting for their appointment. It's nothing like that. It's just because of the culture that is like this here. But at the same time, it also depends on people, to people, on person to person. Yeah, exactly. And other than this one, maybe you also have some other cultural differences when you compare your country.
Yeah, it's compared to my home country, I would say about in different festival time. In Bangladesh, our festival time is quite joyful. And here I think it's like black and white.
But I think we also have some Bangladesh community out here.
Yeah,
And then you guys cook food and have a fellowship together. It's like a small
yeah,
Bangladesh group. So I
yeah.
think it's better than nothing, right?
Right. Of course, right.
Yes, you at least get a little bit of vibe.
Yeah, yeah, of course.
Yes. Right now you are pursuing what course exactly?
My course is Economics, Behavior, and Governance.
And could you please tell us a little bit more about your course? Maybe out there, Bangladesh people, they
Okay,
are interested to study
okay.
your course and they want to get some idea.
Yeah, actually, our course designed very well. If you want to go for job market, some courses obviously can help you. And if you want to be a academician, like if you want to be a doctor in future, we have also this
PhD
some
positions.
yes. So our course is designed very well.
What kind of modules do you have, for
Okay,
example?
we have some modules about governance.
Mhm.
We have some modules about economics models. We have some modules about different seminars like purpose related seminar and in different environmental economical seminar and different things.
So as you know that this project is specially focused for the unemployed youths in general, and then I'm sure in Bangladesh also unemployment is a big problem and there will be some people out there who are really depressed. So at the end of the day, it's all about not giving up, right, in life. So because we here in Germany, we also struggle. In Bangladesh, you struggle. In India, you struggle. It doesn't matter anywhere in the world you are. Struggle is always there. So I would like you to speak from your native language, some words of encouragement to those people out there. Yeah, based on your personal experience.
Okay. এক্ষেত্রে আমি আমার সকল বাংলাদেশি ভাই বোনদের বলবো অ্যাকচুয়ালি আপনি যদি কোনো কিছু করার মতো কিছু না পান এটাই শেষ না। আপনাকে কিছু করার জন্য খুঁজে বের করতে হবে আপনি কি করতে পারেন। এবং আমি বলবো লেখাপড়ার জন্য বিদেশে আসা একটি অনেক বড় ধরনের সুযোগ। এটা নেওয়া উচিত এবং এই সুযোগকে কাজে লাগিয়ে আপনি ভবিষ্যতে অনেক কিছুই করতে পারেন। এখান থেকে লেখাপড়া শেষ করে আপনি আপনার নিজ দেশের জন্য নিজ দেশে যেয়ে কিছু করতে পারেন অথবা এখান থেকেই নিজ দেশের জন্য কিছু করতে পারেন। ডিপ্রেশন জীবনে আসবেই কিন্তু এটাকে ডিল করতে হবে। ডিপ্রেশনকে ডিল করে সেটাকে নিয়েই সামনে আগাতে হবে এবং সেটাকে ফাইট করেই সামনে আগাতে হবে। ডিপ্রেশনের জন্য বসে থাকা কিছু না করা এটা করলে হবে না। আমার মোটিভ এটাই ছিল।
Thank you so much. And maybe you would also like to say in English, in general, to the youth out there.
Okay, I would say depression is a part of life. So we cannot just stop our life due to depression. That time, I think everybody should do something for their own thinking. And if you want to come abroad for studying, this will also help you and your country one day. You can come here and study and learn so many things. This learning can be useful for you and your country. Both you and your country will be beneficial from this study. So if you are planning to come abroad, plan wisely and gather every information and then take your decision. Take decision wisely.
Thank you so much, Babu. It was really nice, getting the chance to interview you. And you also came early in the morning at 8 a.m. when I told you. I was like,
Okay.
yeah, so thank you so much for that. And yeah, I really had nice time with you. And it was indeed a pleasure having you in my show.
Thank you very much. Thank you again for having me here.
It's my pleasure. So, guys, we have come to the end of our episode. And thank you so much for sticking till the end. And until then, see you all in the next video. Bye.
Bye.